Dear friends, how are you all? I think you are fine. Today I am coming with part 7 in chapter number 13, Ways to Multiply and Divide. Before starting this session, one thing I want to tell you. If you are watching this video at the first time, please subscribe my channel Huzefa Master Academy and press on a bell icon which you can see here. Press it, so you will get three options. So please double click on all options. मेरे दोस्तों, आप लोगों को एक रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि अगर आप मेरी चैनल के ऊपर नए हैं, अगर आप इस वीडियो को फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हैं, तो कृपया आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि मेरी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक भी दें, आपके फ्रेंड्स, आपके रिलेशनशिप में जितने भी लोग हैं उन तक मेरा वीडियो पहुंचावे। और जब आपके बाजू में एक घंटी का निशान भी आएगा, उसको दबाएं और उसके ऊपर आपको 3 ऑप्शन मिलेंगे। उसके ऊपर से एक ऑल पे आप क्लिक कीजिए ताकि मेरे नए वीडियो आप तक पहुंच पाएं। Here you can see in a page number 175, okay, I saw this the newspaper government of different states have said that farm workers should not be paid less than this salary for a day's work. न्यूज़पेपर में गवर्नमेंट ने एक डिसाइड किया है कि हरियाणा will give 135 per day, Rajasthan gives 73 rupees per day, Madhya Pradesh will give 97 per day, and Odisha gives 75 per day. Okay, so the table shows the amount fixed by 4 states. Okay, so question number 1, which you can see here, for farm works, which state has fixed and highest amount, and which state has fixed the lowest amount? Okay, so you can see in this table which state has paid highest amount. Okay, which you can see here, this Haryana will pay, the Haryana has paid highest amount, which is rupees 135. Clear? And the lowest money among these three, which is the lowest, rupees 73. So here I have made one circle. So Rajasthan has paid rupees 73. Okay, which is the lowest money? Clear? The answer is, which you can see here, Haryana has fixed the highest amount, rupees 135 for 1 day. The lowest is for Rajasthan, paying rupees 73 for 1 day, which you can see. Okay, now Byron Singh is a worker in Rajasthan. तो राजस्थान का पर डे कितना है? 73 rupees, right? Okay, if he works for 8 weeks on the farm, how much will he earn? वो कितना पैसा कमाता है? Byron Singh works in Rajasthan and he works for 8 weeks. So how much will he earn? So for example, in 1 week, how many total days? So there are total 7 days, right? So what we have to do, 8 weeks are there. So 8 multiplied by 7. So total is equal to 456. 8 7 ja 56. So there are total 56 days. So we will multiply 56 multiplied by 173, which you can see. Okay, so if you will multiply by 73, so you will get answer. So basic information I have taught here. Now fully solution we will move here on the question number 2. Clear? The Bairon Singh walks in Rajasthan, so he will pay rupees 73 for 1 day. We know 1 week is equal to how many days? 7 days. So then 8 weeks is equal to 7 multiplied by 8 is equal to 56. So 7 8 ja 56. Clear? Now, so Bairon Singh earning for working in the farm for 56 days is equal to rupees 73 multiplied by 56, which already I have explained. Okay, so you look at this side, 73 multiplied by 56. Understood? Now look at this side. We will start from the unit digit, unit places, right? Okay, so 6 3 ja 18. ओके सो कैरी आउट बाय 1, यहाँ पे हम 1 लिखेंगे, राइट? ओके 6 7 जा, अगर आपको टेबल याद नहीं है तो यू कैन स्पीक द टेबल विथ मी. ओके तो 6 1 जा 6 6 2 जा 12 6 3 जा 18 6 4 जा 24 6 5 जा 30 6 6 ja 36 6 7 ja 42. Okay, so dear students, look at this side. 6 7 ja 42 plus 1. The 42 plus 1 is equal to 43, which you can see here. So we will write here 43. Clear? Understood? Now we will put extra 0 here. Okay, so 5 3 ja 15. Okay, the unit digit is 5 and carry out by 1, which I have put here. Now 7 5 ja 35. 35 plus 1 36. So we will write here 36. Now here you can see this is the blank space. This is the empty space. For filling the blank space we will write extra 0, ताकि आपको एडिशन करने में कोई दिक्कत न हो, कोई तकलीफ न हो. Therefore I have written extra 0 here. Clear? Now a plus 0 is equal to 8. Now 3 plus 5. So dear students, first what we have to do, we will draw a 5 lines, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now count. 3 के बाद 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so answer is 8. Now 4 plus 6, तो 4 के बाद we will draw how many total lines? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 4 के बाद 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Clear? Okay, so unit digit is 0 and carry out by 1. Now 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. The answer is 4088. Okay, he earns rupees 4088 in 8 weeks, which you can see here. Now we will move on here. The answer is 4088 for 8 weeks. For the answer is B. बेटा आपको ये बुक्स में सिर्फ इतना लिखना है, एंड जो मैंने सॉल्यूशन जो ये बताया है, you have to copy in your CW book. Clear what I am telling you? Okay. Now I will move on the question number C. Neelam is a worker in Haryana. If she works for 2.5 months on the farm, how much will she earn? हरियाणा में कितना एक दिन का मिलता है? 135. चलो बच्चों मुझे बताओ 2.5 मंथ, मुझे उसका देश में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो क्या करेंगे? चलो एक मंथ का कितना दे आता है? 30. 2 मंथ के 60. और उसके आधे, तो 1 मंथ का आधा कितना 15, तो 30 + 30 + 15, तो 30 + 30 is equal to, here I am writing beta, what we have to do here 30 प्लस ये पहले मन का, दूसरे मन के 30 और थर्ड मन के कितना आएगा हाफ का हम आधा कर देते 15, अंडरस्टूड। सो 30 + 30 + 15 is equal to 5, okay, 3 + 3 6, 6 + 1 7, the total 75 days. Clear? Understood? Now look at this side. We will move on the solution. Question number 3. Look at this side. Neelam working in Haryana will be paid rupees 135 for 1 day. Okay, we know 1 month is equal to 30 days and half month is equal to 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15 days. Okay, then 2.5 month is equal to 2 multiplied by 30 plus 15. It means here 30 plus 30 plus 15, which I have explained earlier, right? So answer is 75. Okay, clear? Now, so the earning of Neelam for working in the farm for 2.5 months, rupees 135 multiplied by 75, right? So here I am going to do a fully solution, so which you can understand very better. Now we will start from the unit digit. Okay, so unit digit is here 5 and it is also 5. So 5 5 ja 25. Okay, the unit digit is 5 and carry out by 2. Okay, now 5 3 ja 15. 15 plus 2, 16 and 17. So 17 here and carry out by 1, which I have written here. Now 5 1 ja 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Clear? Now we will move here. So my dear students, look at this side. We will calculate this 7. But before starting the calculation, okay, look at this side. There is a 1 digit, okay, from the right hand side. Okay, so what we have to do, you have to put extra 0 here, okay, which I have mentioned here with different color. मैंने यहाँ पे extra 0 डाला है. Here look at this side, 7 5 ja, चलो speak the table, 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28, 7 5 ja 35. Okay, so 7 5 ja 35. So we will put 5 here and carry out by 3, तो 2 के ऊपर हम लिखेंगे. Okay, so 3. Now 7 3 ja 21, 21 plus 3, तो 22, 23 and 24. Okay, so carry out by 2. Okay, so we put here carry. Okay, now 7 1 ja 7, 7 plus 2 9. Now there is an empty space, therefore we will put extra 0 here. Okay, so 0 likha. After that we will do a calculation here. So 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 7 plus 5. So we will make a line 5. Okay, there are total 5 lines. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so look at this side. The unit digit is 2 and carry out by 1. Okay, now 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So carry out by 1. Now 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Okay, so we will put here 10. The answer is 10,125 rupees earned by the Neelam. Okay, clear? So look at this side. We will write the answer is equal to 10,125 for 2.5 months which she earns. Clear? Okay. Now, how much more will a farm worker in Madhya Pradesh get than a worker in Orissa after working for 9 weeks? तो 9 weeks दोनों जगह पे अगर फार्म वर्कर काम करते हैं तो कितना डिफरेंस, कितना उसको कम मिलता है मध्य प्रदेश वाले के कंपैरिजन में उड़ीसा वाले को कितना मिलता है। ओके, सो उड़ीसा को कम मिलेगा और मध्य प्रदेश में जो फार्म वर्कर है उसको ज्यादा मिलेगा, बिकॉज उसकी सैलरी एक दिन की 97 है और यहाँ पे उसकी सैलरी है 975। क्लियर व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? ओके, so what we have to do here, look at this side. तो how much more will a farm worker in मध्य प्रदेश? तो पहले हम मध्य प्रदेश के 9 weeks का हम पैसा फाइन करेंगे, उसकी सैलरी फाइन करेंगे। उसके बाद ओडिशा का जो फार्म वर्कर है उसकी 9 week के हम सैलरी फाइन करेंगे। उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, दोनों का हम सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर मिल जाएगा। क्लियर? तो पहले हम मध्य प्रदेश की फाइन करेंगे। लुक एट दिस साइड, द सैलरी ऑफ द फार्म वर्कर्स फॉर 1 day in Madhya Pradesh is equal to ₹97. Okay, we know 1 week is equal to 7 days. Now the farm workers which works in 9 weeks in which state? Madhya Pradesh. So 9 7 are 63 days. So farm workers works 63 days in Madhya Pradesh. So what we have to do? We will do a multiplication, 63 multiplied by 97, right? So here you can see the fully calculation here. Now look at this side, 7 3 are 21, unit digit is 1 and carry out by 2. Okay, now 9 3 are 27, 27 plus 2 29. Okay, 28 29. Now we will put here extra 0 because of we are calculating the places of tens. Okay, dear students, we will put extra 0 here, which you can see here. Okay, now look at this side. Speak the table of 6. The 6 7 ja 42. So here we will put 2 and carry out by 4, which I have written here. Now speak the table of 6 up to 9. So 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42. Okay, 6 8 ja 48, 6 9 ja 54. Okay, clear? So 54 plus 4. So we will do here, we will draw first full line, 55, 56, 57 and 58. Okay, so look at this side, we have written 58 and there is an empty space, therefore we will fill with 0. Okay, ताकि हमको एडिशन करने में आसानी रहे। Okay, so 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Now 9 plus 2, 9 के बाद 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So unit digit is 1 and carry out by 1. Okay, now 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So unit digit is 1 and carry out by 1. Now 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So answer is 6,111. Okay, farmer worker gets rupees 6,111 for 9 weeks in Madhya Pradesh. मध्य प्रदेश का हमने फाइन किया, उसका आंसर हमको मिला 6,111. Now we will move on find out the salary of in Odisha. Okay, so here look at this side. The salary of farm workers for one day in Odisha is equal to rupees 75. Okay, now he works 9 weeks. So 9 7 ja 63, right? Now we will multiply by 75 multiplied by 63. Look at this side. Okay, so 5 3 ja 15. Carry out by 1. 7 3 ja 21. 21 plus 1, 22. Okay, we will put extra 0 here. Okay, now 6 5 ja 30. Unit digit is 0. Carry out by 3. 6 7 ja 42. 42 add करो 1 2 and 3. 43 44 45. Okay, clear? We will fill 0 in empty places. Okay, so we fill here 0. Okay, now look at this side. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 2 plus 5 is equal to 6 and 7. And 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. So answer is farm workers get rupees 4,725 for 9 weeks in Odisha. So you know in Madhya Pradesh how कितना उनको मिलता है 6,111 और यहाँ पे 4,725 मिलता है. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे उसका हम क्या करेंगे subtraction करेंगे which you can see here. Okay, so fully solution here. Okay, 1 minus 5 it is not possible, so we will move on the places of tens. यहाँ पे 1 दिखता है तो 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. तो 0 हमने लिखा, बाद में हम यहाँ पे जाएंगे. Okay, so here you can see. So उसको 1 को कैंसिल करके 1 plus 10 तो 11. तो 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Clear? Now 0 minus 2 it is not possible. Again we will move on the places of hundreds. Okay, यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे 0 लिखेंगे. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here we will cancel. 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. Okay, हमने 10 लिख दिया. Then 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Understood? Again we will move here. 0 minus 7 it is not possible, so we will move here. Okay, so 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Now which you can see here 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. Okay, so we will write here 10. Now you can see here 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Okay, and 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, which you can see the difference is 1,386. Okay, clear? Now the answer is 1,386 rupees. Clear? So this is the solution of A, B, C and D. So still I am telling my dear students, if you have any difficulty, if you have any confusion, please write your message in the comment section box. Thank you. आज के लिए इतना ही मैं आपको पढ़ा रहा हूँ. Thank you. और मैं आप लोगों को ये होमवर्क के तौर पर मैं दे रहा हूँ. Try it. और आपको अगर डिफिकल्टी अगर आपको महसूस आप करते हैं, अगर आप नहीं कर पाते हैं, ट्राई कीजिए. बिकॉज ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स इज ए प्रैक्टिस सब्जेक्ट. अगर आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे, अगर आप उसका खुद का सॉल्यूशन नहीं निकाल पाओगे,